Once harvested, the vibrant purple stalks are transported to the factory for processing.
Once secured, the journey begins. We rely on the dedication of our team and the bounty of the harvest to bring the best products to you.
In the heart of the field, these advanced harvesters streamline the process, turning tall stalks into mulch with incredible
The journey from the fields ends here at the processing plant, where the raw sugarcane begins its transformation into... This is the critical intake stage. The sugarcane is offloaded into these massive hoppers, beginning its journey through the...
Once harvested, the cane is swiftly transferred by the heavy machinery into these massive bunkers, ready for the next stage of processing. The gentle sweep of the industrial paddle ensures a consistent mixture, carefully blending the foam and the burgundy liquid for optimal results.
Here at Factory Process 24/7, the refinement stage ensures the vibrant quality of our product.
Once extracted, the raw juice is carefully channeled through these pipes for the next stage of refining.
Welcome to the core of the operation. Here at Factory Processed Helix.
After the initial crushing phase, the thick purple pulp is systematically guided into the troughs below, a critical step in our sustainable production cycle.
Here we see the concentrated fruit syrup being transferred to the cooling basin. The heat generates steam.
Welcome to Factory Process 24/7, where innovation meets precision. Witness the seamless flow.
Here at the processing facility, precision is paramount. Our technicians monitor the flow, ensuring optimal output with the touch of a finger.
Here we see the dissolution process in action. The coarse sugar rapidly absorbs the vibrant purple hue as it integrates with the solution. Sourced from the finest cane, this golden granulated sugar is the foundation of our process, held in pristine stainless steel containers. The vibrating mesh separates the juice from the solids, ensuring a smooth consistency for the next stage of production. Here we see the precise dispensing of our specialized light brown and light purple crystalline granules, essential for maintaining the unique flavor profile you've come to trust. This multi-layered sieve is the heart of the sorting process, vibrating continuously to separate the fine.
Here, the freshly processed sugar cascades into massive bins, a testament to the efficiency of modern production.
Of Dardenvark. The juice is heated vigorously. As it reaches a full boil, the impurities begin to coagulate, forming
Quality control is paramount. Here, we meticulously inspect the granulated sugar, ensuring purity and consistency in every batch processed. The assembly line operates with seamless efficiency, transforming flat sheets into secure packaging with unparalleled precision.
I'm so glad we get to do this.
Me too. It's perfect. Look at them.
The harvest season is a critical time on the farm, ensuring the pumpkins are carefully gathered before they are transported to markets far and wide.
Once the harvest arrives, our team utilizes advanced technology to efficiently move the pumpkins from the field to the processing line.
Here at Factory Process 24/7, our automated lines ensure that every can of our vibrant puree is filled with precision and sealed for freshness.
The heart the operation, our high-speed filling line, a precisely measured cascade of fresh orange puree into sterile, ribbed metal cans. Integrating human expertise with advanced robotics allows us to handle the increasing demands of global logistics with unprecedented speed and accuracy.
Check the flow rate on line 3. It looks stable here, but I'll double check the calibration.
The fill weight on batch 238 is holding steady at 98%.
Good. Let's keep monitoring the consistency.
Ensuring the perfect bake means precise temperature control at every step of the process.
From the precise artistry of a single slice to the massive scale of modern production, our commitment to quality remains unwavering.
In our state-of-the-art facility, precision robotics ensure every product is handled with care, from the oven to the box. Our state-of-the-art facility ensures every product is handled with precision. From the robotic arms to our dedicated
Advanced logistics ensure seamless movement. Here, goods are moved into cold storage before efficient distribution via the loading bays.
In the world of cold chain logistics, digital matters. We deliver Credevis. From the latching bay to the open road, precision logistics keep the global supply chain moving around the clock.
From the highway to the high seas, modern logistics ensures that goods keep moving seamlessly across the globe.
From the precise movements of the operator high above the port to the vast expanse of the open ocean, we ensure your cargo arrives safely.
Here at the Global Hub, precision is everything. Once inside, the factory process 24/7 ensures every pack.
The audio features a calm, documentary-style male voiceover with a steady and clear rhythm. The voice is warm.
This should be enough, right?
Oh, definitely. They look perfect.
think we have enough pumpkin pies now.
Nonsense. Grab another one for the centerpiece.
This turned out perfectly.
Oh, it's wonderful. Did you use the new recipe?
I want another slice.